light there.
Yan, tapos may parang picture frame dyan na ano bang design yan at may telly. Yan, telly. Walang laman ang fridge.
Fridge pala yan.
Walang fridge.
Wala pala. Cabinet lang.
Oo, mayroon lang siyang pang ano, yan, pang tea dito, may kettle, tsaka may pang coffee. Yan, tapos ito yung cabinet. May towel. May hair dryer. At meron silang pang iron. At dito nilalagay yung mga jacket. Yan. Yan, tapos
Complimentary wine, ganyan.
wala. Ito yung kanilang toilet. Yan, simple lang na toilet. Bakit nagalaw-galaw yung ilaw? Yan ang bathroom pala. Ito yung toilet. Yan. At yung shower. Yan, bathtub. So, yan lang. Thanks.